be doing the hot and cold water density experiment. For this experiment, you're gonna need your goggles, a cardboard piece of paper, 2 food colorings. We're gonna be using red and blue, and 2 waters in a jar. One is hot and one is cold. And a bowl.
And you need adult supervision. First, you're gonna put your food coloring into the cold one. Because I have the cold one, I'm gonna put the blue one in.
And I have the hot one, so I'm gonna put the red one in. And make sure you put a few drops.
Like 1 or 2. I'm gonna do 2.
You should mix it up.
Yep.
Let's get our spoon. We really used our magical powers for that one.
Yep.
Okay.
Now we are gonna put on our goggles. So we're gonna grab our hot water that's in a jar, and then we're gonna put it into our bowl. And this is when you need adult supervision. Okay, now we're gonna get our cardboard paper.
Okay. Wait, take this. Let me move that to the middle.
Yep.
Let's get this. Make sure this is filled.
Let's move these over.
Yeah.
Right there.
And then here you go.
Now we're gonna put our cardboard paper on top
Of the cold water.
I might need to zoom though.
And then
Now we need to flip it over. It's creating a vacuum.
yeah, it's creating a vacuum.
That's why the water's not coming out.
Wow. Let's try to put it on top of there and see what will happen.
Okay.
But make sure you should line it up evenly.
Yeah. I think that's
Over.
good. Or like a little bit over.
Yeah, wait.
I think.
Yes, that's good. That's
Okay.
good. Now you're gonna need an adult to help you take out the paper, and as you're taking out the picture, the paper, make sure you hold it in place.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna see what happens.
Oh.
Whoa! It's like mixing in.
So like it looks like this still kind of red, but in the middle of it, it's like all like purple.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Now this one's turning purple now, and that one's kind of turning purple. Like
Yeah,
turning
they're, like,
into a dark
mixing in.
blue.
Guys, now that it's all purple, do you know why? It's because the cold water, which was on top, it has higher density, so it wants to come down, and that's why it mixed in.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow, that's like so cool. It all turned purple.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
This is like a cool purple. It's like a bluish, like.
Yeah, like at the bottom, it's like gets a little bit lighter purple.
Yeah. Now we're gonna do this again, but the hot water is on the top and the cold water is on the bottom. And my mom's gonna help us take the
Cardboard.
the
paper out.
cardboard paper out like she did last.
And make sure, as last time, make sure you hold that in place. Hold the top in place.
Wait, yeah.
Wow, even though we need adult supervision, she's still struggling.
Are
hot.
you okay?
It's hot. Okay.
Wow.
It's not turning purple.
It's not turning purple, wow. So that's so cool. Guys, the reason why it's not mixing together is because the hot water has the lowest density, so it sits on top, and the cold water has the highest density, and it sits on the bottom.
That's so cool.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when we post a new video. Bye!
Oh, now you try. And I can see it in you.